That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Marumi ba ang iyong dugo? Huwag magpabaya kaibigan, mag-Santon Plus Gold na! Santon Plus Gold dahil ito'y subok na makatutulong sa iba't ibang uri ng karamdaman. Ang Santon Plus Gold ay merong ampalaya, mangosteen, malunggay, spirulina at garlic. Kaya mag-Santon Plus Gold na! Mabibili sa mga butika.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hi, I'm Sherwin Manuel, an online teacher and consultant from Davao City. Ang pagiging creative at competitive, yan ang baon ko lagi sa aking trabaho. Kailangan maging confident ako, especially in giving consultation to my client. Ganun din sa food supplement ko. Confident din ako sa MX3 capsule kasi ito ay verified with alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen kasabay ng masustansyang pagkain at ehersisyo. MX3 capsule, tunay, natural at original. Dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3 capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas sa sakit.
Charm Fab Gold, bakit makatulong sa tiyan? Walang amoy kulong, kahit sabay sa loob.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold, bakit makatulong sa tiyan? Walang amoy kulong, kahit sabay sa loob. Bangong kumakatulong sa Charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Joseph. 5 years na akong Santon Plus Herbal Capsule user. Walang ibang gamot na nakapagpagaling sa aking cirrhosis of the liver, kundi Santon Plus Herbal Capsule lang. The best talaga.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
To serve the public well, I have to take care of myself first. As an information officer in a regional government office, grabe talaga ang demands. Long hours, fieldwork, and managing campaigns for 20 programs all at once. Thank God for the strength na binigay niya sa akin. At syempre, in my part, I eat healthy foods and I exercise regularly. Plus sa tulong ng MX3 capsule na verified with alpha, beta, and gamma mangosteen. Ako si Michelle Franca, MX3 capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tunay, natural at original.
DCXL 555